What's up, everybody, and welcome to another YouTube video. Today we'll be doing a pre-foam wash on the detail of my wife's van using Adams Megafoam. So I've been using Adams Megafoam for a long time, but I'm really excited to do it this time because California, this winter we've had like a lot of more rain than usual, and I haven't had the opportunity to wash my wife's van for a couple of weeks. So the effects should be pretty good because my wife's van is pretty filthy. Not like, Canadian winter dirty, but like California dirty. Let's be real. So I'm gonna do the foam wash. It's not gonna be too much talking, no reviews, because Adam's Megafoam Adam's Megafoam is amazing. So if you're looking for a pre-foam wash for your detailing, so definitely pick up a bottle because it's great. But like I said, not too much talking, just foaming my wife's fan, letting the foam dwell, rinsing it off, and then see the end result. So I'll show you how dirty my wife's van before, and we'll get in the video. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is one of the doors. It's pretty dirty. And as you move backwards from the van, especially as you get to the rear wheels area, you see a little bit more dirt, right? It's dirt here, definitely around the wheels, right? The rear quarter panel here. And then as you get to the rear of the van, you get all of the dirt here, all the dirt around the license plate. And I'm going to take the license plate off because I don't know, I like detailing with the license plate off. So license plate, the rear bumper here. So let's get started with the foam. This is the before, so we'll let the foam do its work and see how it goes after. All right, now let's start the rinse. So as you can see, the pre-foam rinse did okay, but in the more soiled areas, it didn't really do anything, right? So you see the quarter panel here, see the sliding door here where the body panels kind of go all like curvy, right here. And then when we transition to the back, especially around the license plate, which I didn't take off because I forgot, and let's be real, I was being a little bit lazy, there's still a whole lot there. Focus there. There's still a whole lot of dirt, right? And so this is why pre-foam wash is meant to help get some of the some of the stuck on dirt particles and like bird droppings and all the other stuff, sap, whatever, off. But you still need to do a contact wash, and I'll need to be mindful of the really dirty spots during my contact wash to make sure that I'm not rubbing this dirt into the paint. So pre-foam wash is important, or I think is important, and it's good to do, but it's not the catch-all. You can't just do a pre-foam wash and hope that and expect your car to be clean. So pre-foam wash is good. Adams polish, like I said, is good, but be mindful of the need to do a proper contact wash. My name is Josh. Thanks for watching the Driveway Detailer. Like this video if you found something useful, and I will see you on the next one.